Hey guys, welcome back to the Revealist TV. I'm your host, Dana, and today is another special day because I'm talking about women's health. Yeah, where my woman at? Where my woman at? Basically, guys, I'm going to be talking about women's health because for one, I'm a woman, two, I'm a young woman, and three, I love women's health. Because if we're not healthy and up to our jobs, we can't be the best women, the best wives, the best students, the best us that we can possibly be for the universe. And that's why I love to share products that women can use without having to feel as though they have to settle just to keep up with life. Yeah, so today I'm going to be featuring another product from my favorite reusable pad, eco-friendly feminine care brand, Glad Rags. This is Glad Rags Day Pad. And I actually did feature this product on my Instagram page. If you haven't already, please don't forget to click on that link in the description box so that you can watch that video. And don't forget to subscribe, guys, so that you can be part of my listy club, okay? Yes, so I really want to do this quick video to show you guys a product, because on my Instagram page it actually has my full demo and demonstration as to how you can assemble the pad and all that good stuff. But I just wanted to do this quick video to show you guys the product, what I loved about it, and why you should get it. Okay, so this is the day pad. And this is how it looks. It's plain white. And what I love is that Glad Rags offers you the opportunity to have different colors when it comes to the pads. But this is the plain cream color, so that they have different variations. So just go to gladrags.com and don't forget to use my promo code ReviewList5, and I'll be placing all those links and all those codes in the description box so that you can be a part of my community. And what I love about this pad is that it actually comes with two under pad panty liners that you insert within this flap so that you don't have any leaking problem. And please don't forget to visit my Instagram to see the actual demo video for the pad, because I'm actually going to be going more in depth in those videos. But I just wanted to come on real quick to show you this thing won't snap. To show you guys real quick about the Glad Rags pads. And I honestly think why you should get it is because, one, most of the pads on the market, I don't want to call any names, but most of the pads on the market, they're not good for the environment, and they're not good for your behind, if you know what I'm saying. Yeah, they're not good for your behind because sometimes, you know, when you're working a lot, you sit down on your period pad for a long time. Sometimes it can cause bumps on your behind, if you know what I'm saying. Then you have to put on aloe vera gel, petroleum, you know how it is. So basically you have to do a lot of stuff. So what I love with the Glad Rags pads is that they're cotton, so you don't have to worry about having those irritations. And what I love is that Glad Rags actually offers their pads in a pack of 4. So let's say if you use a cloth pad one day and you want to change it, and they're absorbent too, so they'll withstand. And you may probably say, Dana, this is not long enough for me. They have longer sizes. So that's why I wanted to do this video, to clarify a couple things and a couple questions that you may already have about the Glad Rags products. But honestly, their pads are amazing. Even though they're not long, this is a perfect fit for me personally, but they have bigger sizes for those who may need a little extra coverage. Okay, but there's nothing wrong with extra coverage. And I honestly think that there's nothing wrong with wanting a longer pad either. And they have nice, colorful pads that resembles my cardigan, and lovely patterns and prints. So if you guys are interested in getting these pads, please visit gladrags.com so you can see their full arrays of products. And I will be featuring 2 videos at the end of this video of the 2 Glad Rags products that I featured on my channel. The XoXo Flow Menstrual Cup, as well as the Glad Rags Panty Liner. And so far, the panty liner has been working amazing. As far as the menstrual cup, I'm gradually working into that, because I don't know about shoving something that big up there. But you know, I've never used tampons, by the way. But if you guys have used menstrual cups before, let me know how that experience went, and maybe I may be inclined. But for now, I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have any more questions about the Glad Rags pads, please let me know in the comments below, because I really want you guys to feel like you have a friend in this fight, in this period fight, and trying to find the right products. So please let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this video, as well as my demo video that I will be featuring in the comments below that leads to my Instagram, so that you can see my video that I actually gave a little demo as to how to assemble the pad, how to use the pad, and all that good stuff. Yes, and if you guys would like to purchase these pads and get a good deal off, please use my coupon code ReviewList5. And I'm so looking forward to hearing what you guys thought about these pads and your comments. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and just have a great day, guys. Have a great day with health. Keep Glad Rags on your mind, and we are gonna see you guys later on another video. So until next time, guys, stay safe, stay blessed. Me and Glad Rags, me and this day pad here will be out of here. y'all don't gotta leave, but you gotta get up out of here, okay? I'll see you guys later. Bye for now.